The rain isn't letting up in some cities across central Illinois, and even if you are seeing the sun, so many areas are still flooded.
That's right. It includes parts of the Forest Preserve in Champaign County. Staff is trying to keep up. WCIA 3's Miranda Meister is live in Champaign County. So, Miranda, there is flooding at the preserve, but that's not all.
That's exactly right. There are fields just like the ones that I'm standing in right now that are filled with water. As you can see, the water is up past my ankles, and a lot of farmers cannot work in these conditions. And it's likely that it'll take several days after this is all dried up before they can get back out into the fields and start working again. I went to the Lake of the Woods in Mahomet today, and a lot of the roads there are closed because of these high floodwaters. Water levels at the Champaign County Forest Preserve keep rising.
I came in at 5 o'clock this morning to open. It wasn't too bad when I came in, but a couple hours after I got here, it started raining again. Sangamon River continues to raise.
It's not just the river that's being inundated. Other areas are swamped.
A lot of the bike paths have patches where the rivers overflowed the banks.
It's not ideal for outdoor activities, but not everyone is deterred. One runner just found another route.
I would have run down the bike path, but part of it is blocked off by the Sangamon. When it comes out of its banks, it comes over the bike path.
Not everything is as easy to fix, though. Some farm fields have so much water in them, ducks have moved in for a swim. And some soccer fields in Mahomet are so drenched you can't see where the goal meets the ground. A pavilion at the Lake of the Woods that is scheduled to be used in the next few days is surrounded by water.
This weekend is a busy weekend, so a lot of them are already booked, but we're working to try and find another facility within the Forest Preserve that they could probably move their rental to.
With water sitting just a couple feet from the bottom side of Mahomet's covered bridge, those with the preserve want to make sure people are safe.
We put signs out to kind of warn people, and hopefully they'll use their good judgment.
With rain in the forecast for almost all of next week, it's likely that these water levels will just keep rising. We'll keep you updated on those conditions, both on air and online at WCIA.com. Live in Champaign County, Miranda Meister, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Miranda, thanks.